Dude pare, what's up? How you guys doing? My name is Ronnie. Welcome to my work. We're back to MECQ in Metro Manila. And seriously, how you guys doing? Good? Good. While we're sitting out the pandemic safely at home, let's go back 8 months and unbox a release by Nike to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Jordan 11. Let's do this, shall we? December of last year when Jordan Manila opened, I tripped to BGC to check out the store, and I wore my 7-year-old Jordan 11 infrared low, which was my first pair of AJ11s, by the way. It's not the first Jordans that I owned that eventually made me into a sneakerhead, but that prestige belonged to the OG Jordan 13s gifted to me by my dad back in '97. But that's a different story for another video. Due to the pandemic, I haven't rotated my shoes, and these were unused for several months, usually end up deteriorating more. And unfortunately, my AJ11 lows died on me while I was on my way to the Jordan store. I still ended up visiting the Jordan store and buying a couple of Jordan 1s, and of course, the Jordan Manila t-shirt. In 1993, Michael Jordan made the shock announcement that he was retiring from the NBA. He then joined the minor league baseball for a couple of years, and Nike and most of sneaker fans believed that MJ's sneaker line would end with the Air Jordan 10. Tinker Hatfield, the legendary sneaker designer, continued to work on the Jordan 11 in secret. The resultant silhouette was a high-performance basketball sneaker that blended technical prowess with style. Jordan celebrated the 25th anniversary for one of the most iconic Jordan silhouette with the Jordan 11 Jubilee. Naturally, I wanted these and had joined several online raffles and luckily won the chance to buy at Nike Park PH. And here it is in the Jordan Manila paperback. No shipping box as I picked it up instead of being shipped. Of course, has a Jumpman logo and Manila on either sides. Alright, so here's the Jordan 11 Jubilee box. It's a two-tone box with a matte black and silver to celebrate the 25th anniversary. There's this hole that's always present on all Jordan 11 boxes. And it says here, Jordan 11 Retro. And with the color black, multicolor, and a size 12 men's US, which is pretty much my size. The box actually splits open in different directions. So it opens up like a wing. And this feels somewhat a downgrade for the packaging. I'm used to having inserts like the acetate type layer with the XI or 11. This comes with a tissue paper with the Jordan Jumpman logo and the dates 1995 to 2020. So let's set that tissue paper aside. Here we go. Bam! This 25th anniversary release pays a fitting homage to Michael Jordan's favorite model and its enduring popularity. The colorway comes dressed in contrasting shades of black and white, with the luxurious looking patent leather band that goes around the shoe and was used to prevent a player's foot from sliding over the footbed, which also provided a unique aesthetic to the sneaker. Leather at the back of the heel that feels really nice and premium. Ballistic mesh on the uppers and tongue tab with strips of leather that also says Jumpman Jordan with a white Jumpman logo, and of course comes with the rounded laces. Celebrating the 25th year anniversary or Jubilee, there's the silver hardware all over the sneaker. We have the Jumpman logo in metal material on the lateral side of the ankle that gives it a luxury or premium feel to it. The number 23 insignia on the heel adding hits of hardware. The Jumpman logo and the number 25 are printed on the polyurethane insoles and the patch at the back of the tongue that says quality basketball product by the greatest player ever. Similar adornments along the shoelace eyelets spell out Jordan in celebration of the style's namesake. These were actually part of the original design and was seen in earlier sample version pieces back in '95, but never made it to the production. Several iterations of design came out but were never really adopted due to production issues like the lettering that were bleeding into the sneakers. But now for the 25th anniversary release, we finally found the right materials, as you can see here. Honestly, I kinda like them. They're hard to spot from a distance, but up close it's like an Easter egg on your sneakers. One thing though that I would like to have added to complete the silver hardware was if they made the aglets on the laces silver as well. The midsole is a Phylon foam with a full-length air sole unit, and supporting underneath that is a full-length carbon fiber with a spring plate to encourage elevation. The outsole is a milky white translucent gum rubber with solid rubber herringbone pattern inserts for that superior traction on court. Last video I introduced you guys to another facet of my collection, which was the Funko Pops, and in line with today's Jordan 11 unboxing, here is a 10-inch Michael Jordan Funko Pop in J11 Concords. The box comes a little banged up, but that's okay. What's more important is that the figure inside, it comes in mint condition. Alright, still comes with the clamshell to protect the figure from bouncing around. And here he is, cute little fella, ain't he? So what do you guys think of the Jordan 11 Jubilee? And of course, don't forget my little friend here. Let me know in the comment section below and let's discuss. A little over 7 months ago, I published my first ever videos here in YouTube. And with a little help of my friends new and old, I got recognized on my 5th month and recently received my AdSense pin. Yay! Although the channel is not earning, well not yet anyways, my heart is still full from all your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Love you guys. And that's it for today. Check out the link video for my first time visit to the Jordan store if you still haven't seen it. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel down in the bottom for more, and don't forget to smash that notification button. I'll see you next time.